Imagine you buy an asset at exactly $100. The market moves and you close your position at $170. For most traders, that $70 profit is a clear victory. It looks like the strategy worked exactly as planned. But judging a trade solely by its final net profit is dangerous. That single number completely masks the actual quality of your execution. It hides the critical details of how much risk you barely survived and how much extra profit you left on the table. Professional algorithmic traders dissect the entire lifespan of a position, scrutinizing every price tick that occurs while the trade is live. Judging a trade only by its exit profit is like judging a turbulent near-crash flight simply because the plane landed. You need to know the hidden story to improve the next journey. Take a look at the actual path of our hypothetical trade. Before the price ever moved toward our target, it immediately fell to a low of 80. We call this initial downward movement the max adverse price change, or MAPC, a $20 drop below entry. MAPC is the ultimate measure of the pain and risk you endured. It proves whether a winning trade actually survived an unacceptable level of danger to get to the finish line. Now look at the absolute highest point the price reached while the trade was open. This peak represents the max favorable price change, or MFPC. The market actually offered a massive $100 gain from our original entry. MFPC is the benchmark for true potential. It shows the maximum profit the market made available, regardless of where you chose to exit. But look at the gap between that peak and where we actually closed the position. This specific drop from the high back down to our exit is the price drawdown. By waiting too long, we surrendered $30 of profit back to the market. Price drawdown precisely measures the cost of poor exit timing, showing exactly how much potential wealth was lost to hesitation. When we reevaluate that original $70 profit through these internal metrics, the win feels much different. The hidden story reveals a trade that suffered a severe early drop and then missed its optimal exit point by a wide margin. We only captured $70 of a $100 opportunity, a fundamentally inefficient execution. Relying on lucky, inefficient wins without analyzing these internal metrics eventually leads to systemic failure in the market. Algorithmic traders use MAPC data to refine their stop-loss placements, ensuring they survive volatility without taking on unnecessary risk. By tracking price drawdown, they refine their exit logic to capture a much higher percentage of the total market move. Sustainable algorithmic success comes from building systems that prioritize mathematical efficiency over the luck of a single profitable exit.